Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money using Chatgpt. Chatgpt is a large language model developed by OpenAI that is trained to answer questions and generate text. It's a powerful tool that you can use to make money in a variety of ways. In this video, we're going to explore some of the best ways to make money using Chatgpt. Also, if you want more ways to make money online, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my videos. Method 1. Creating chatbots. Creating chatbots in Chatgpt involves using the pre-trained language model provided by OpenAI and integrating it with a messaging platform or application that can receive and send messages. Here's an overview of the process. 1. Choose a messaging platform. You'll need to choose a messaging platform where your chatbot will operate. Examples include Facebook Messenger, Slack, WhatsApp, or your own website chat widget. 2. Create a developer account. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to create a developer account and set up a new bot. 3. Integrate with Chatgpt. I am Chatgpt, a language model designed to communicate with humans in natural language. As an AI-powered conversational agent, I am programmed to assist you with a wide range of tasks, including answering questions, providing recommendations, generating text, and much more. One of the key features of Chatgpt is my ability to integrate with various software and applications. This means that I can be integrated with other tools and platforms to enhance their functionality and provide a more seamless user experience. For instance, I can be integrated with chatbots, voice assistants, and messaging apps to provide a more interactive and personalized experience for users. Additionally, I can be integrated with e-commerce platforms to assist customers in finding the right products and making purchases. Furthermore, I can be integrated with content management systems, CMS, to automatically generate text for articles, product descriptions, and other types of content. This can save content creators time and effort while ensuring that the content generated is high quality and optimized for search engines. Overall, integrating with Chatgpt can enhance the capabilities of software and applications, improve user experiences, and streamline workflows. 4. Train your bot. Before deploying your bot, you'll need to train it on a dataset of questions and answers relevant to your use case. You can use existing datasets or create your own. 5. Deploy your bot. Once your bot is trained and integrated with Chatgpt, you can deploy to your messaging platform and start interacting with users. 6. Monitor and refine. As users interact with your bot, you'll want to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed to improve its accuracy and user experience. Chatgpt also provides a Python package that you can use to interact with the model and generate responses directly in your code. This can be useful if you're building a custom messaging platform or integrating with an existing application. Method 2. Writing content. As an AI language model, Chatgpt is capable of generating a wide range of written content. When it comes to writing content in Chatgpt, there are a few things to keep in mind to get the most out of the tool. First, it's important to provide Chatgpt with a clear prompt or question. This will help the model understand the context and generate a relevant response. The more specific and detailed the prompt, the better the response is likely to be. Second, it's helpful to consider the intended audience and purpose of the content. Depending on the context, Chatgpt can generate anything from informative articles to creative writing prompts. By keeping the audience and purpose in mind, you can guide Chatgpt towards generating content that is most relevant and effective for your needs. Third, it's important to review the content generated by Chatgpt to ensure it meets your standards. While Chatgpt is a powerful tool, it's not perfect and may occasionally generate content that is inaccurate or inappropriate. By reviewing and editing the content generated by Chatgpt, you can ensure that it meets your needs and is suitable for your intended audience. Overall, writing content in Chatgpt can be a powerful way to generate high-quality written materials quickly and efficiently. By following these tips and using the tool effectively, you can leverage the power of AI to enhance your writing and communication skills. Method 3. Generating ideas. As an AI language model, Chatgpt has been trained on vast amounts of text data to generate ideas on a wide range of topics. Here are some ways in which Chatgpt can help generate ideas. 1. Prompting. You can give Chatgpt a prompt or a question related to the topic you are interested in, and it can generate ideas based on the information it has learned from its training data. For example, if you ask, "What are some creative ways to stay motivated when working from home?" Chatgpt can generate ideas such as setting daily goals, creating a comfortable workspace, taking breaks, and so on. 2. Keywords. You can give Chatgpt a list of keywords related to the topic you are interested in, and it can generate ideas based on those keywords. For example, if you provide keywords like healthy eating, vegetarian, and quick meals, Chatgpt can generate ideas such as meal prep, smoothie bowls, vegetarian stir-fry, and so on. 3. Context. Chatgpt can also generate ideas based on the context of the conversation. For example, if you are discussing a particular topic or problem, Chatgpt can suggest solutions or ideas that are relevant to the context of the conversation. 4. Trending topics. Chatgpt can generate ideas based on trending topics and current events. It can keep up to date with news articles, social media posts, and other online sources to provide fresh and relevant ideas on a wide range of topics. Overall, Chatgpt can generate a wide range of ideas on various topics using its vast knowledge base and natural language processing capabilities. Method 4. Providing consultancy services. As an AI language model, I can provide general advice and information on a wide range of topics. However, it's important to note that my responses should not be taken as professional or personalized consultancy services. If you need specific and personalized advice, I recommend consulting with a professional consultant or expert in the relevant field. They will be able to provide tailored advice and guidance based on your unique needs and circumstances. Additionally, it's important to always do your own research and gather information from multiple sources before making any decisions. This will help you make informed decisions and minimize the risk of any negative outcomes. Method 5. Teaching and training. As an AI language model, I am not capable of teaching or training in the traditional sense that human teachers do. However, I can provide information, answer questions, and offer explanations on various topics based on my vast knowledge base. If you have specific questions or topics that you would like to learn more about, feel free to ask me, and I will do my best to provide you with accurate and helpful information. Additionally, I can provide examples, clarify concepts, and suggest further resources for you to explore. While I may not be able to replace human teachers and trainers, I can certainly be a valuable tool to support learning and provide insights on a wide range of subjects. So there you have it, 5 different ways you can make money using Chatgpt. Whether you're creating chatbots, writing content, generating ideas, providing consultancy services, or teaching and training, there's a lot of potential to make money with this powerful tool. Of course, each of these methods requires different skills and knowledge, so it's important to choose the method that best suits your interests and expertise. If you're a programmer, creating chatbots might be the best option for you. If you're a writer, writing content might be the way to go. It's also important to keep in mind that while Chatgpt is a powerful tool, it's not a replacement for human expertise. You'll still need to have some knowledge and skills in the areas you're working in to be truly effective. In addition, there are some ethical considerations to keep in mind when using Chatgpt for commercial purposes. For example, if you're providing consultancy services, you'll need to make sure that you're not providing advice that could be harmful to your clients. Overall, though, there's a lot of potential to make money using Chatgpt. With its ability to generate high-quality text and answer questions, it's a valuable tool that can help you create valuable products and services. So if you're interested in making money online, it's definitely worth considering how you can use Chatgpt to your advantage. Also, if you're looking for more ways to make more money online, I would suggest watch this playlist next.